Today we're making pan grilled salmon with lemon garlic butter. But first, of course, you need some salmon. This is a boneless, skinless salmon fillet. Now you can use skin-on salmon fillets. We just prefer with the skin off. Now pat dry with paper towels and season with salt and pepper. Put a nonstick 10-inch skillet over medium-high heat. And add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And when the oil is very, very hot, almost smoking, go ahead and add your salmon fillet, presentation side down. Now check it very carefully after about 2 minutes. Not quite ready. Let it go a little bit longer. Now flip it over when it's golden brown after about 3 minutes. Now it should be about 3/4 done at this point, depending on the thickness of the fillet. I served it here with some orzo rice pilaf and a little bit of tartar sauce. And I put a little more of the pan sauce over the salmon. Now, if you like salmon like we do, you're going to love this pan grilled salmon with lemon garlic butter.